Have you ever uploaded a video, sat back and nothing? No views, no clicks, no momentum? Don't worry. It happens to most of us, especially when we are still growing. The good news is there's a fix. In today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to fully optimize your YouTube videos so they can reach the right audience, whether you're creating African folk tales, AI content, football highlights, podcasts, or anything else. Welcome back to Learn with Emnet, the channel where we learn, create, and grow together. If that sounds good to you, let's dive in. 1. Rename your video file before upload. Most people don't know this. Even the name of your file matters. Instead of uploading something random like vid0034.mp4, rename it with a simple SEO-friendly title. For example, How to Grow on YouTube 2025.mp4. This gives YouTube extra context before your video is even processed and helps you stay organized. Use ChatGPT to generate file names with this prompt. Generate an SEO-friendly video file name for YouTube upload based on this video title. Insert your title. The file name should be short, clear, and descriptive. Use lowercase and hyphens. Avoid special characters. End with .mp4 and stay relevant to the topic. Copy it and rename your video file before upload. Why use AI like ChatGPT? YouTube itself is powered by algorithms. By using AI to help write titles, descriptions, and tags, you're letting one AI speak the language of another. This doesn't guarantee viral views, but it massively increases your discoverability. Titles that work. Your title is the first thing people see, and YouTube uses it to understand what your video is about. A good SEO title is short and clear, under 60 characters if possible. Includes your main keyword naturally and tells the viewer what they will gain. To generate an SEO-optimized YouTube title, paste this prompt in ChatGPT. Suggest 5 SEO-optimized YouTube titles for this video. Insert your video title. Title should be clear, keyword-rich, engaging, and follow YouTube's guidelines. No spam or clickbait. Pick your choice or ask ChatGPT for recommendations. Copy it and paste it in the title section. 4. Write a powerful video description. Your description is not just filler text, it tells YouTube and your audience exactly what your video covers. Why it matters? It boosts discoverability with keywords, it helps viewers decide to watch, and it can drive clicks to playlists, links, or your other videos. To generate a description, paste this prompt into ChatGPT. Write a professional, SEO-optimized YouTube video description for insert your video title. It should be engaging, explain the value viewers will get, and naturally mention related creators as inspiration. For example, insert channel names. Keep it keyword-rich but natural. Stay within YouTube's policy. Make sure to read and edit before publishing. 5. Add tags or keywords. Tags don't carry as much weight as titles and descriptions, but they still help with discoverability, especially for misspellings or related searches. Paste this prompt into ChatGPT. Based on insert your video title, Generate SEO-friendly keywords for YouTube tags. Keep it under 500 characters, include trending short and long-tail keywords, and avoid irrelevant terms. Copy them and paste them in. Six, playlists and thumbnails. For playlists, add your video to as many relevant playlists as possible. This helps YouTube connect your content with related videos. For thumbnail, a good thumbnail should be bold, simple, and easy to read at a glance. Avoid clickbait, but make it impossible to scroll past. 7. Pinned comment and engagement. Before publishing, ask ChatGPT to draft a short hook for your pinned comment. Pinning a comment helps highlight the main call to action like check the playlist or watch this next. Encourage engagement naturally. Ask viewers to share their thoughts, not just to smash the like button. 8. End screens and cards. Add end screens and cards to keep viewers on your channel. For example, I often choose most recent upload, so YouTube automatically promotes my latest video. 9. Publishing strategy. You can publish instantly, but I recommend uploading as unlisted or private first. Why? It gives you time to polish the title, description, tags, and thumbnail. It allows YouTube's system to scan and understand your video before it goes public. Personally, I schedule my videos 48 hours ahead so the algorithm has time to process everything. If it's breaking news or trending content, go ahead and publish immediately. 10. Patience is key. Even if you do everything right, your video might not blow up overnight. YouTube often tests your video with small audiences first, then expands. Some of my videos looked quiet in the first week, but took off later. Be patient, stay consistent, keep improving, and above all, keep praying and trusting God for success. Quick checklist, the essentials. 1. Compelling, keyword-rich title. 2. Eye-catching thumbnail. 3. Valuable content that teaches, solves, or entertains. 4. Strong hook in the first 30 seconds. 5. Viewer engagement, likes, comments, shares. 6. Consistency. Keep uploading. Cross-platform sharing. Share your video on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, but don't just drop a raw YouTube link. Post a short teaser clip as reels or shorts. Add curiosity captions like full video on YouTube, link in bio, or comments. This way, you send quality viewers who actually watch instead of random clicks that might hurt watch time. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to fully optimize your YouTube videos step by step. Remember, optimization doesn't replace good content, but it helps your hard work get discovered. If this video helped you, give it a like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe if you want to grow with us here on Learn with Emnet. Until next time, keep shining, keep creating, and keep growing. Thanks for watching.